to Excel Church, maybe you've joined us in the last 6 months or so, we've got a new people lunch happening on the 1st of February. So you can join us after the morning service for the lunch, which will be provided for. And if you can just let us know that you're coming, it's free to attend, but if you just sign up online, then we know what we can cater for. And if you've got any questions, then do speak to leadership or one of the team, and they'd be happy to answer your questions. So if you're new, join for the new people's lunch.
You can join us on the 24th of January for our prayer and breakfast happening at Excel Church. It's only £3 for an adult and £2 for a child. We're going to be praying hard and then we'll enjoy full English afterwards together. But it's really important that we show up for this because we're going to be partnering with a movement called Turn the Battle, and it's connecting with other believers in Wolverhampton to really pray for our nation. So we want you to come and join us for that. We're going to be going in hard with some prayer to see God shift some things around us. So why don't you join us for that? And there'll be a separate interactive prayer activity for children as well. They ain't getting off lightly with this. They're going to be praying as well with us in an interactive way. So do come along for that on Saturday, the 24th of January. We've got another mission trip coming up this year to northern Spain, and it's happening in September. So if you're interested for this, then do head to our website or have a look at Church Street, or just come and speak to one of the leadership team and they'd be happy to answer any questions. It's going to be happening in September and it will be around £350 per person, and it's a great way to stretch yourself in your faith and to experience another culture as well. So have a think about that for September. Our next devoted event is happening and it will be the Pizza and Play. So that's happening on Saturday the 7th of February. It's £10 to attend, which covers the food, and there'll be loads of fun to have with all the women and the ladies at Excel Church. So if you're a lady and you come here to church, then get connected in with the community of women here to build you up in your faith and to have some fun and food along the way. We love it. So have a look online for that and more details where you can sign up.
Tell me where I need to go. Like a vessel lost at sea, I've been drifting for.
So that is all for Excel News, but this week is Connect Group, so make sure you connect with yours if you're in one, and if you're not, let us know so we can get you in one. Have a great week, guys.